Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export your presentation from the Keynote application to the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application as well as the Photos application, which are both built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application, search for this. Open up the Keynote application, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. Wait for that to load. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, now go to Open. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the top toolbar again, go to Share. This is all after we have a presentation created within the application. Now we wish to export. I can send a copy to either Messages, AirDrop. As you know, in the previous tutorials, I have exported to the Notes application. Now we will export to Photos. Click on this, and now you will have the option to send as movie to Photos. The playback can either be the slideshow that we have recorded or self-playing. Let's just now click on the slideshow recording, which was recorded in the previous tutorials. Now let's click on Next. This will now export a video to the Photos application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you should now see the Photos application notify us that a video has been exported there. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Click on the Photos application. Let's now go all the way to the bottom of the application where we have the video created for us. We can skip through the video just to inform the user that this is the video that was exported from the Keynote application. And there we go. So we can now go back one, quit the Photos application, go all the way down to the dock, go back to the Keynote application, quit the Keynote application. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.